Congratulations. You're now on the way to improving the ranking of your business. On this page, you will see that we do have the video for you to set up your Google Business profile, and we've also put together a couple of images of our Google Business ranking for some of our clients that we've achieved in the last 2, 3 months. We'd just like to show you something as well, just to help you out. This is the back end of your Google Business profile. You would need to fill in all your profile details, reviews, that's from your clients. You can add photos, Google Posts you can add. This is performance to see how your Google Business profile is operating. You can add products, you can add services, you can add the booking, questions and answers that your clients have, and ask for a review. This is a link that you can attach to your emails, WhatsApp, send it to clients, and it will directly send them to the Google Reviews link for them to leave your review. Just something else I want to show you here, that in this Google Business Profile backend, you have these, what you call it, reminders as such. If you're not going to update them, then dismiss them, as these reminders here affect your profile strength. So if you're just not going to do it at this point in time, just dismiss them. They do pop up almost every, I would say, month, if not every 2 weeks. And then as you see, it says you've caught up on everything. And if you refresh it, it should then take a few minutes and improve your strength. Obviously, the more optimized your Google Business profile is, the better your strength is, and you want this to actually be a green circle. Secondly, just to bring to your attention, when people search mostly on mobile, which is over 65%, then your Google Business profiles come up first. You will have your sponsored results, which is Google paid ads. You would then have a sponsored result, which is your Google Business profile, part of your paid ads. And then you have these three. We call this the three pack. And you can rank very, very well for your service or product in your areas if you know how to properly optimize the Google Business profile and link it with your website. As you will see on our page below, we've got three options. One, a quote to do this entire SEO Google Business optimization for you, or a free audit for your website as well, if you would like, at no charge. And then thirdly, if you would like to learn some SEO techniques, we will be running out a course. Click either one of those links and give us your feedback, and all the best with you. Hope that your Google Business profile gets optimized today. Take an hour and get this done. It will really, really help your business. Thank you.